Hey everyone, this is Thomas Graham with March Drum Corps, and I'm going to be talking briefly about buzzing with a drone. Now, a drone is a static pitch, so you set it and it maintains that pitch for however long that you trigger it. And the thing about using drones is it's going to really help improve your intonation. So I like to use DroneToneTool.com. It's a free website. It's set up like a piano keyboard. You click the pitch that you need and it'll sustain it forever and ever and ever until you stop it. This particular website, it triggers a cello sound, and for whatever reason, I really like the color of that sound, and I think it's really easy to blend with. So today I'm working on concert F. So think about it this way. If you're a transposing instrument, if you're playing trumpet, we're gonna be playing a written G. If you're playing horn/mellow, it's gonna be a written C. Baritone and tuba, you guys are playing a written concert F, so you're good to go. So the first thing to do is be matching that pitch. So I'm going to trigger the drone and then I'm going to buzz that pitch. Check your posture, your alignment, make sure everything's good to go. Set the mouthpiece, take a good relaxed breath. So what I'm doing when I'm matching that pitch is I'm making sure the oral cavity's open, right? I'm relaxed, I'm moving lots of air, and that buzz is a nice pure sound. So the next step from there, you can start moving the pitch around. That way you get used to hearing, okay, that's pushing sharp, that's pushing flat. So I'm gonna do that a little bit so you can hear it. So moving the pitch around is going to give you a little more flexibility so you can bend notes in tune. We all know that there are notes on the horn that we're going to have to adjust. They don't just play in tune by us putting down the valve and moving the air correctly, right? So you can apply that concept to just about any warm-up. I'm going to do a little snippet of a Remington on concert F. And if you don't know, a Remington is an expanding interval. So it's going to go concert F, concert E natural, concert F, F, E flat, F, so on and so on, and the interval expands. And you can find free exercises online, you can find them in method books, whatever. It's a really, really great concept to train your ear to go back to that pitch. Here's an F Remington, just a little bit of it. You get the idea. You can expand down through the range of the instrument to get that. Now you can apply that same buzzing with the drone concept to a phrase from an etude, major scales, minor scales, anything that you're working on. Set the drone pitch to whatever that home bass note is, right? Concert F, concert B flat, whatever, and buzz with that reference pitch, always using your ear to guide you to what's in tune. Then when you plug it into the instrument, right, it's the same kind of process. So that's a brief intro into buzzing with a drone.